Yo, guys, magandang hapon. Sir Harley is in the house with the tattoo sa isang tropa na gustong magkaroon ng remembrance sa braso. So, yan. After 15 to 30 minutes ata, nagkaroon ng outline with a little bit of shading. So, if you wanna, guys, some artist or some tattoo in your body or some images that you want to have remembrance, visit the page of Sir Harley. What's your page, sir?
Harl Inc.
Okay, good.
Harley.
Harl Inc.
Harl Inc.
Harlink.
Harl Inc. So, ito yung guys, yung isang ano niya, sample artist. Yan.
Pakita mo yung tattoo ko.
Yan.
Ito yung isa sa mga...
Ito yung isang gawa niya, mga guys.
Hindi pa tapos yan.
Yan. It's not yet done, but it's only a sample.
Tapos. Hindi pa tapos yan.
It's not yet
Kaya kung
done.
gusto nyo makita pa yung...
Sa titi niya daw. Oh.
Hindi, meron pa dito. Hindi, dito.
Oh man, that's awesome. That's wonderful. See, a Hellboy,
Hellboy. Ito pa.
and with the
Pakita mo pa to.
with the Mickey Mouse.
Oh, ito pakita mo
With
sa
this
kanya.
one, Minnie Mouse.
Pero hindi mo pwede pagkubarin si Marina kapanty lang.
He got crashed his cell phone. Oh man. So, yo guys, I wanna advertise the page of Sir Harley sa lahat ng mga kapilipino, katropa, kaibigan at mga followers na pwedeng gustong magpatato na sa Canada. You can visit my page and you can like it and you can message so we can advertise the page of Sir Harley with this number. If you want to schedule, just give us a PM or any messages. You guys will like his awesome work actually. Look, meron din siyang sariling art in katawan niya. Sir, may abalahin ko yung braso niya. O, yan. May tattoo rin siya. So, it's a remembrance talaga. So, dyan mo mapapatunayan na isang artist. So, guys, hopefully support natin yung tropa. And madali siyang kapulong kung hindi nyo kaya ang spot cash. Meron siyang mga promo na ibinibigay. You can talk to him with a negotiation. Napakadaling kapulong ni Sir.
Back loan.
What? Bank loan? Oh, really?
Pwede mag-loan sa mga ano. Pwede renta million.
It's a scam. Okay. That's awesome, guys. See? Awesome work. Love this guy, man. Sa lahat ng mahilig sa art, visit us. See you guys.
And bring beers.
Yeah. Really.
Don't forget to bring your friends.
Oh, God. We'll be back soon, guys, and we'll show you the outcome after we completed the shades or the shadings of the real output of the tattoo. So, you can see, guys, it's just more than an hour, I think, or 45 minutes with a big changes right now. So, the next one is this guy. Popular guy. Yo, man. Cheers. Let's get it on, man. We're back. And we are near with 100% completion of the tattoo with Sir Harley. So, guys, very beautiful. Such an artist. See? So, guys, love it. Ganda, grabe, guys. Sa mga gusto magpatato, message lang kayo. Schedule natin. Pero kaming holiday, sir, wala ka, no? Babakasyon ka.
Hindi pa sure.
Hindi pa daw sure. Depende daw kung may mga magpapabook or magpapaschedule, pwede. Lalo-lalo na yung mga full images. acceptable with reasonable price, guys. So malapit na po itong matapos. After an hour mahigit nagtiyaga. So yun, ganda, oh. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Lapit na po matapos. Pinuputian lang mga guys. So yan. Yan po yung tinatawag na set skills, talent. Ganyan maganda po ang outcome ng tattoo. So, hindi pa siya linitaw ang kulay ngayon kasi bago pa lang, sariwa pa. Konting-konti na lang po. Pwede na lang. So, ano yung kay Maria na isusunod natin? Flower design? Yun, no? Lupit, to. Ganda, oh. Grabe, oh. Yan. Lupit. So yun guys, hope you like it. Pakipollow, share, and like na lang. Meron pa daw guys, nilinisan na po pero ang ganda, oh. Lupit, oh. Grabe guys, sobrang ganda. Pero hindi pa nakokontento yung main artist kasi meron pa daw kulang.
Alcohol.
Hindi, aceton.
Aceton.
Hindi pa. Meron pa.
Okay.
Pa tayong ihahabol.
May habol pa daw si Boss Harley para mas mabuhay pag gumanda pa. Grabe naman to. Nakaka-excite. Ito masarap magtattoo, hindi yung talagang hindi niya maano yung contentment niya hanggat di siya nasa-satisfied. Ay, grabe. Inihabol, no? Ah, sa pipa. Binuhay niya yung pipa. Grabe, guys. Iba talaga pagka nasa puso mo yung ginagawa mo. Lupit.
Next
You
one.
have that influencer. No. Just repeat.
Next.
Tapos binilisan, may sinilaksan pa ni boss. Walang kagatil-gatil, no? Parang dinasaktan, no? Parang wala nangyari, no? Grabe, Ganda guys. Oh. Look at.
Hindi pa. Final touch pa.
Yeah, may final touch pa daw, sabi ni boss.
Kukulangan ako eh.
Nakukulangan pa daw siya. Grabe. Ganda. Saan ka nakita?
Saan na yun? Oh,
Guys,
Ayan.
let's see the final outcome. Pupunasan na po ang... Wow! Grabe, swabe boy. Ang ganda oh. Parang anime na anime talaga oh. Papay di Sailor Man. Ganda, grabe. Lupit, mga guys. Such an artwork. Mabangis. Ito, focus natin para makita nyo mga guys. Yan. Oh, saan pa kayo? So, come out guys, call na. Schedule na tayo ng tattoo. Kung ano man ang gusto nyong ipa-tattoo, pili na. Maganda na kayo ng design. Name it, and you will have it. So, yun. Who will be next? Empire. That's a word. Empire. Dati, Empire Graphics ako eh. Tsaka, Inner Edge Graphics.
Empire Cinema.
Oof.